So let's talk about UB. Its full name is Unibase. It's sitting at 8 cents right now, 0.080. It's a perfect 8 cents. And as I'm covering this coin for the first time, I'm going to talk about its overall life. How long will this coin live? Should you invest in it for a few months? Should you invest in it for long term? Long term means can you hold this coin for 2 years or 5 years? Or you should just hold it for a few weeks or a few months and then get the hell out of it. I'll tell you the good aspects of it, the bad aspects of it, and of course at the end I'm going to share the technical analysis with you, where I'll show it to you on the chart. Where is the entry, where is the exit? If you want to trade it, that will help you a lot, and that basically helps a lot in making decisions, because if you go and watch my other videos, I have helped a lot of people by saving them from buying in wrong places. I have always told them, let it come down to the support. If you're in love with it, buy it from there. And generally they do get a discounted price of 30% to 50%. So they generally help, and it's more than 70% of the time. So not a bad equation. Anyway, let's look at UB. What the hell this project is about. I'm covering it for the first time, so I don't know what do they do. It's a decentralized infrastructure layer. Every coin says they are decentralized. It's a gimmick word. I don't fall for it, because you wouldn't go and read about a project and they wouldn't say they are not decentralized. It's like everyone going around and saying that they are an AI project, or in 2021 they used to say we are a metaverse project. Anyway, decentralized infrastructure layer designed to empower AI agents with persistent memory, interoperability, verifiable data storage, and that's okay, trustless collaborative AI. Let's look at its core purpose. Solves AI agents statelessness and data silos by enabling long-term memory and cross-platform collaboration. Okay, this sounds good, but it sounds like a copy. I've seen an exact copy of same language, same stuff in another coin, and I've covered it recently. I am wondering if that was a Recall coin. I think Recall or Clanker. They have similar language. They talk about the same stuff that they are saying. And again, even Clanker is not unique. I have said that in that video as well. So at least what they're doing is not unique, so the value proposition is not that exciting. Let's see if they have anything else to offer. Unibase delivers 100 Gbps per second data throughput. That's okay. I've seen better numbers as well. Agent staking, knowledge mining, that doesn't matter. Let's see if they are able to define themselves in a better way somewhere else. I'll check their website. Unibase is a high-performance decentralized AI memory layer designed to solve the challenges of long-term memory storage class. Yeah. Interoperability, AI agents, memory losses, short-term memory issue. Nope, nothing fancy. On Twitter, they are saying the first high-performance decentralized AI memory layer empowering AI agents with long-term memory and interoperability. It's the same sales pitch. They keep on doing it. So at the end of the day, not that much of uniqueness whatsoever. So when we talk about its uniqueness, the uniqueness is completely is not there. They are you can go and check Recall or Clanker. It's a same copy paste project, same style of language. You read that, then you read this, you will know it's the same thing. So it is really going to be hard to decide that, okay, if this is not unique, why will this project perform well in comparison to the other projects? So that is a question that you always need to ask. I always attack layer 1 projects, like you have ICP, you have Solana, you have Ethereum, you have BSC, you have huge list of layer 1, you have SU, you have C. Everyone that you touch turns out to be a layer 1 project. Then you need to ask that which fucking layer 1 is going to work and which one is going to die, because in the market you don't have room for every layer 1. XRP is a layer 1 too, right? So there is a difficulty in terms of consumption. Look at it in real world terms. You have Windows operating systems, right? How many you can bear and endure? Only 3. You have Macintosh, Windows, and Linux. That's pretty much it. You can't go beyond that, and the overall world is stuck with Windows. Then you have a bit of Macintosh, and then you have some really geeky people who use Linux. It's not everybody's operating system, but you only have 3 operating systems. Same as the case scenario with browsers. You hardly have 5 active browsers. When we talk about layer 1s, they are like 20, 30, 50 layer 1s that are big ass, and they are multi-billion-dollar projects to begin with. But when we come to stuff like this, UB, it is again the same kind of question you need to ask, that how the hell is this project going to survive? That is a question that you need to ask. If you have an answer for it, you have a winner. Generally, there is no answer to it, and that is what makes it tricky. So this is a question mark that I have about this project. When we talk about its economy or tokenomics, they are not good at all. The overall inflation in this coin is over 400%, which means that you cannot hold this project beyond December. The longer you hold, the more disastrous this project will become, which means that whatever is the all-time high of UB, it will remain as the all-time high. You would look back and you would talk, share stories about it. Once upon a time, ICP was at $4.60, now it's sitting at $3, or how Arbitrum was at $2, or how TIA was at $20 and now it's sitting at 90 cents or $1, stuff like that. That kind of bullshit is what happens to projects that have crazy inflations in it, and that is the case scenario here with UB. You cannot hold it for long term because the inflation is going to be a disaster, and the market cap is not small either. It's 200 million. So 200 million is pretty much a crazy market cap. I wouldn't consider it to be a smaller market cap, but at the end of the day, whatever is the all-time high that it will create, it is going to be the last all-time high it will create. Next year, October, we will look back at all-time high and we will not be able to go and achieve that. And don't get me wrong, even if the institutions, they get behind it and they start pushing it, they will not be able to push it. A living example of that is SU. Grayscale is behind it. Everyone talks about SU, and SU is not able to hit its all-time high. Why? Because it's already inflated more than 600%. Everyone keeps on buying it, but it's inflated as fuck. And if we talk about SU in long terms, it is a disastrous project on its own. And I think Grayscale is using all the retailers as their exit strategy. They purchase low and they continue to milk as it goes up. They continue to take profits from everyone. But I mean, who are we going to convince? Everyone says it's SU is Solana's killer, like they were saying Solana is Ethereum's killer. That bullshit goes around. Anyway, with UB, I'm not saying it's a bad project at all. I'm just saying that it is designed in a horrible manner. The tokenomics of the project are not nice. They're designed to favor the creator, not the retail investor. The graph will fuck you up. The project will do well. Living example of that is Arbitrum. Arbitrum is one of the best projects out there, but it sucks as an investment. It's a great project, but a shitty investment. Why? Because the tokenomics are designed to help the creators of the project, not the investors. It's the same case scenario here with UB. So whenever you plan to take profit, don't shy away from it. Take your profits, because once it starts going down, it's going to be a case scenario of COAI. It will collapse and you will never be able to look back at it. Let's talk about its technical analysis now. What do we do? Well, it's really simple. If it breaks above 9 cents, it will go rapidly up and it will actually go higher. It will go towards 14 cents. Right now, as we looked at it, it's sitting at 8 cents. So it's very close to the area of 9 cents. 9 cents is the first line of resistance. It needs to break above 9 cents, go and live here, create 2 daily candles with the body above 9 cents. Then I would say, okay, now it has captured and it will go further higher. And we will talk about how it hits the area, how it hits the market cap of 400 million, 300 million or higher. But if it is not able to break above 9 cents, then this thing will crash. Like I said, it will go down pretty big. And as you can see, it is towards 6.6 cents. This will be the first area of support that we would like this coin to hold. If it doesn't hold it, then we are talking about an overall crash of 50%. It will go down towards 51 cents. Sorry, it's 5 cents, 5.1 cent, or you can call it 5 cents. So 6.6 cents is a hopeful area that if it collapses, right now it's sitting at 8 cents. If it collapses, 6.6 cents should hold. It shouldn't go below that. But if it does, you should assume that we are dealing with a worst case scenario and it is going down towards 5 cents. At 5 cents, I'll come back and I'll let you know what you can do from here on. And that's pretty much it with UB. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.